Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today I'm super excited to be at the Mega Fun Factory with my new Littlest pets. Aren't they adorable? Why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Sherry Ruby Roost. My name's Glowy Meow. Hi, I'm Butterscotch Goldpaws. Hello there. My name is Inchy Gleamglass. They call me Twinkle Peridot. And I'm Chipper Laventail.
Today I'm at the factory to make each of my pets a little home. I'll make their house the same color they are. Let's start with red for Sherry. I'll just power on the factory. Let's put the Play-Doh in the extruder. Time to cut it. It's entering the magic press. Look at how cool that looks. It's about to go through the quality control scanner to make sure that everything's perfect for my new pets. And it's done. Sherry's already in her new bed. Here's your new house to go with it. This is a beautiful bird cage for her to sleep in.
I love it! Thank you so much! I especially love the glitter.
I'm glad you approve. Now I have to go make homes for the other pets. Next up is orange for Glowy. I made Glowy's home a ball of yarn. And it's done! Check it out, Glowy! Inside is made of really soft yarn so you can play and snuggle.
You're the best! It's so soft in here.
Now it's time for a yellow house for Butterscotch. Butterscotch's house is shaped like a fire hydrant. Another house completed. Here you go, Butterscotch. There's plenty of room for you to stretch your legs in there.
It's perfect!
Now let's use green to make a house for Inchy. Inchy's house is shaped like a cactus. I hope you like it.
Wow! It's so big in here. Thank you!
You're welcome. Let's put in blue Play-Doh for Twinkle's house. Twinkle's house is shaped like a seashell. Here you go.
Wow, thanks! It's a perfect fit!
It sure is. We have one more house to make for Chipper. Chipper's house is made out of luxurious silk. She'll love it.
This material's to die for! Thank you!
No problem. Now all of my littlest pets have a home. As a housewarming gift for each of you, I got you these.
Woohoo! Thank you! Yes! Woohoo!
I can help you open them. Let's start with this one. This is a My Little Pony Fashion. There are 6 different characters we can get. We got Rainbow Dash. She has a really important job in Ponyville. She maintains the weather and clears the skies. When she's not working, she loves hanging out with her friends. Next up is a Surprise-A-Mole. Inside is a cute and cuddly stuffed animal. Let's see who we have. Aw, it's a skunk! Stay clear of its backside. Let's read the bio. This is Sid Skunk, and it says he's not someone you want to sit next to in class. His birthday is April 20th, and his favorite color is ash gray. Ooh, check out this Littlest pet shop fashion. I wonder who's inside. It's Zoe Trent. She's a dog with a talent for singing. She loves being the center of attention and adores the spotlight. She can be quite a diva, but she still has a kind heart. Here's a My Little Pony blind bag from the movie. Let's open it. This paper tells you a little bit about the pony you got, and it shows you all the other options. We got Wolfgang Cantor. It says he listens to music with his friends. Wolfgang is a tan color with a brown mane and blue eyes. His cutie mark is a music note. Up next is a Cars 3 mashup. I hope we get Lightning McQueen. How about you guys? Yay, we got the one I wanted! This is Lightning McQueen. He's a world champion and modern-day racing legend. He has 7 Piston Cup wins under his hood. Very impressive. He faces a whole new obstacle now that the new generations of cars are out, but he's not one to shy away from a challenge. The last toy is Doc's mini surprise bag. Inside of Doc McStuffins' bag is not 1, but 2 surprise toys. The bag shows you all the options. It's Stuffy. He's a brave blue dragon who's also quite clumsy. Good thing he has a doctor for a friend. He helps Doc out at the vet clinic and he's great with animals. This is baby Cece. She's so cute in her ladybug costume. Let's pack them both up. And this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!